The wait for the Heartland Season 19 finale has reached its peak, and Episode 10 already feels like it will hit harder than anything we have seen this season. The trailer delivers tension, emotion, fear, and hope all at once. It pushes Amy into a moment she never wanted to face again and brings every storyline to its breaking point. But to understand why Episode 10 carries so much weight, we need to revisit Episode 9 and see how every decision in that episode pulled the entire ranch toward this dramatic ending. Episode 9 began with a surprising but comforting return. Peter brought Georgie home for a short visit. She arrived in town for a show, and her presence felt like a warm reminder of earlier seasons. Fans have missed her, and seeing her back in Heartland felt like reconnecting with a piece of the past. But the happiness did not last long. Everyone quickly learned that Georgie and Quinn had broken up. The news stung, but it made sense. They were young and moving in different directions, and life had been pushing them onto separate paths. Georgie tried her best to hide her pain. She kept saying everything was fine. She claimed she ended things. She acted strong. But the truth refused to stay quiet. Once she settled into the Dude Ranch, her emotions began to spill through the cracks. Peter talked to her first, then Katie joined. With each conversation, the mask she was wearing slowly fell off. She finally admitted that the breakup hurt far more than she wanted anyone to know. Even Quinn was struggling, but Georgie carried her own heartbreak in silence until she no longer could. Meanwhile, something unexpected was happening with Peter. He had suddenly become the ranch's surprising voice of wisdom. He had been listening to relationship podcasts, learning, reflecting, and trying to grow. He offered advice to Georgie, support to Katie, and calm guidance to anyone who needed direction. No one expected him to become the emotional counselor of the ranch, yet he did it with sincerity and patience. In his own quiet way, Peter shaped a big part of the emotional storytelling in this episode. As Georgie faced her pain, Lou and Jack were busy trying to solve the growing threat of cattle theft. Their mission had started in the previous episode, when they found tire tracks. That clue encouraged them to set up a trail camera at the ranch gate. Lou was proud that she could watch the camera from her phone. She also shared everything she knew with Gracie, which revealed that Price had also been hit by rustlers. The situation was getting worse, and the ranch was becoming more vulnerable with each passing night. The next morning brought frustration and disappointment. The rustlers had discovered the camera, disabled it, and stolen even more animals. That moment broke whatever patience Lou and Jack had left. They adjusted the cameras so they pointed at each other. There would be no blind spots this time. But even that did not calm Jack's nerves. He refused to sit back and wait. His protective instincts took over. That night he went out alone with his gun to watch the ranch. Lou noticed he was missing and joined him outside. Under the dark sky, they shared their fears about the shrinking herd and the pressure of fulfilling their upcoming beef orders. They stayed together, waiting for anything that moved in the night. Their wait turned into chaos when Jack heard a sound near the fence. They ran toward it and caught someone in the act of cutting the wire. It was Wes, though Jack did not recognize him right away. Before Jack could react, another rustler struck him from behind. Jack fell to the ground, and the thieves escaped. Lou managed to get their license plate number, which became their only lead. But when an officer arrived, he refused to reveal who the plate belonged to and left almost immediately. Thankfully, Lisa's private investigator stepped in. By the end of the episode, Jack, Lou, and Nathan were ready to ride out and track down the rustlers on their own. This final decision set the stage for the dangerous showdown teased in the episode 10 trailer. While Lou and Jack were fighting to protect the ranch, Amy was deep into her work with Gracie's horse. Gracie arrived to talk to Lou about the cattle theft and caught sight of Amy training in the field. She did not like what she saw. Amy explained that the horse was finally showing real progress and stopping now would undo weeks of work. Gracie insisted on joining the training session, but things became tense quickly. She pushed too hard, moved too fast, and tried to halter the horse before it was ready. Amy held firm and suggested they take a break to avoid stressing the animal. During that break, Gracie revealed something important. She told Amy she once wanted to become a trainer and that Marion had mentored her when she was younger. That story stayed in Amy's mind long after Gracie left. Later, Amy and Lindy opened Marian's old journals, hoping to find something that explained Gracie's behavior. At the same time, Nathan returned from his competition and confirmed that Marian had indeed worked with Gracie in the past, though he was too young to remember details. He also mentioned that Tanner wanted him to buy the island ranch he was selling. The moment felt small at first, but suggested that Nathan might soon face new responsibilities and choices. After Nathan left, Amy continued reading the journals and found something she never expected. Marian had described a moment from years earlier, when Gracie lost her temper and used to whip on a horse. The incident had scarred Gracie, and Amy understood why. When Gracie returned to the ranch later that day, Amy gently brought up the incident. Gracie admitted it was true. She believed Marian told everyone, and that belief made her feel judged and pushed away for years. But Marian's journal said the opposite. She had kept a secret to herself and blamed herself for not helping Gracie more during that difficult time. This truth broke through Gracie's hardened exterior. She nearly took her horse and left again, but Amy convinced her to stay and start over. They began the training session from the beginning. This time, something changed. Gracie slowed down, listened, and allowed herself to breathe. The horse responded with trust. For the first time, Gracie let her guard fall. The entire moment showed how powerful healing can be when someone chooses to face the truth instead of running from it. Amy's ability to help people and horses connect continued to shine as one of the show's strongest themes. While the adults handled emotional storms and dangerous threats, the younger characters faced their own version of chaos. Dex, Katie, and River found themselves in the middle of a messy triangle of teenage feelings. Katie and River were supposed to practice their flag girl routine, but River and Dex were too distracted by their sudden interest in each other. Katie hated the tension that followed. Everything became more complicated when Dex's old friend appeared. This was the same boy whose actions caused the accident that ended Dex's hockey career. Dex refused to talk to him, but the friend returned later to apologize again. Dex snapped and threw a punch. Jack fired him for the second time. Katie felt overwhelmed by the drama, but River reminded her that Dex deserved understanding. Katie later realized she might be frustrated because she liked Dex more than she wanted to admit. She tried to apologize, but nothing went as planned. At the end of the episode, everything came together. Jack, Lou, and Nathan rode out to confront the rustlers. The trailer for episode 10 shows danger waiting for them. Rumors suggest Nathan may be seriously injured during the confrontation. This single moment pushes Amy into a place she hoped she would never return to. The fear of losing someone she loves appears again, heavy and heartbreaking. Fans believe this moment will bring Amy and Nathan closer than ever. Some even think it will lead to a proposal after the danger settles. Episode 10 promises a powerful mix of danger, healing, connection, and change. The finale is ready to combine the heart of Heartland with some of its strongest emotional moments. Every character stands at a turning point, and every storyline carries a lesson. The fear of loss, the strength of family, and the hope of new beginnings all come together in this final chapter. Heartland has always been about healing, growth, and love. This finale may be one of its most memorable.